Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 5, and we are learning unit number 11, and its topic is festivals in Pakistan. So, yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. So, our today's lecture, lecture number 7, under the title of Listening and Speaking, we will discuss about local events on page number 108. So, my dear students, I hope you remember it. Before in English for grade 4, we have already learned about to describe local events in groups, how we can discuss in our discussion. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So our today's student learning outcome is demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to describe local events. So this is our today's SLO, my dear students. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Fil, verse number 1 to 5, have you not considered how your Lord dealt with the people of the elephant? Did he not make their plot to end in vain? And he sent down on them birds in flocks, striking them with stones of baked clay. Then he made them like straw eaten up by cattle. So yes, my dear students. So have you judged that this beautiful verse, this beautiful surah, this is the Surah Al-Fil. This beautiful surah is telling about an event. Okay, which event? Yes, when Allah Almighty saved his Batullah, Khana Kaaba, okay, saved from enemy, and he sent birds in the shape of flocks. Allah Almighty sent bird in the shape of flocks who threw them stones, okay, the stones on them, and how Allah Almighty saved his, and you should also get information about these whole event, how it happened, and this event happened before the birth of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, so this is an event. In this way we can discuss any event, and according to Quran also how we can discuss an event. Okay, so next T, what is an event? Pre-reading questions. What is oral communication? So my dear students, already we have learned about it. What is oral communication? Okay, good. I hope you have recalled. There is another question for you. What is an event? Yes, so what is an event? Good, excellent job. I hope now you have recalled. So let's see what is an oral communication. Oral communication is a process of expressing ideas through words. This can be done in a conversation between two or more people. So my dear students, oral communication is that when we are talking with each other, and we can talk, this talk can be between two persons or a group of people. So such type of talking is called oral communication. When we start conversation with words, by words, verbally, okay, through our mouth. So such type of communication is called oral communication. So see that, what is an event? An event is an occasion that is organized by any individual or a group to celebrate any particular happening. So when we want to celebrate any particular happening, this is called an event. Suppose my dear students, in your school 14th August celebration is there, so we also celebrate, so this is an event. And this is a national event, you can get it. And while like on Eid days, we also celebrate. So this is an event, festivals like, so such type of event. It's up to you that event you celebrate individually, okay, like in family shape, alone or in a group to celebrate it. Such type of events are called occasions of happiness. And see there, what is a local event? Local event means an event that is celebrated at local level. It is not a national event. It is typically organized by civic community educational or cultural community of a particular area. So try to get, my dear students, local events. What are local events? Local events always celebrated at local level. So which is local level? Local level is a particular area of any city. So these such type of events are celebrated there on local level. Okay, and who organize these such type of events? By any civic, any person can, and by community of this city. Okay, where this event is being happened. So community people of this city can organize such type of events, and such type of events are called local events. Okay, have you got that? So see in examples. So see there. So which this picture is describing? Yes, this is also a festival. This is also an event. So see there are different types of foods. There are also different cloths are there, and how they are displaying everything. This is also an event, image of an event. See next. Yes, good. So what did you get that? Which this picture is showing? Which event? Yes, this is then flower. This is a flower exhibition. So we also got this picture from an flower exhibition, and this is showing that there are different flowers are there, different colorful flowers are there. Okay, so in this way we celebrate different events. It doesn't mean that if this celebration is going on in a city, in a province, anywhere, so it necessary that all of us we have to celebrate. No, so such type of events are called local events. Okay, see there, this event also you know because we have read in our chapter. Yes, this is polo event, Shandur Polo Festival. So have you got that? Different activities are there. Their polo games, their how they have folk dances, and how they play the game, and different teams are there and they play game. So such type of events are called local events, and this is also an event, and it is being held in Chitral, Gilgit Baltistan. This is called the Shandur Polo Festival. Okay, have you got that, my dear students? So let's perform an activity and see how we can describe an event. We can discuss an event in our own words. So open your book, my dear teacher, my dear students, page number 108. And question number 7 is there. Discuss and describe different national events in groups. So you will read out this whole dialogue. This is there, and in work in pair and perform this dialogue in your class. Get these activities in your class, my dear students. Pause the video, my dear teacher, and engage whole class in this activity. Welcome back and excellent job. I hope you have done it in a nice way and you have enjoyed while discussing, and now you got that how we can discuss different events in our words. Good. So what is our homework for today? Discuss about Islamic festival with your parents and prepare speech about Eid. Yes, my dear students, this is an interesting homework activity for you. So you will discuss Islamic festivals. Already you know how many Islamic festivals we have. Yes, Eids are there. So you will prepare a speech in your notebook, and that speech teacher will get next day in your class. Okay, and you will have to give. Okay, this is your homework for today, my dear students. So my dear teachers, this is worksheet, and this worksheet link is given below. You should provide it to your students to get more about it, how they got about local and national events. So what we have learned today? We learned about oral communication is a process of expressing ideas through words. We also learned that local event means an event that is celebrated at local level. We described local events in groups, how we have described. And in this way, we have covered up our SLO, demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to describe local events. So my dear teachers and my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture, and today's lecture was very interesting because there was a discussion. There was nothing there to write, just we had to discuss things, events and celebrations, how we can discuss in our own words. I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. With the new lecture tomorrow, we will meet soon inshallah. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.